Hey everyone, it's Elaine. So now I want to show you all the goodies that were given to me at the retreat. Okay, now I'm going to rock and roll through this, I hope. So stay with me. Let's get through this. Let's do this quick. First thing I want to show you real quick is I did borrow a paper punch from my buddy Pat. And you've probably seen this punch. It does these tabs, and I first saw it from Grammy's Keepsakes. Lori was having, her grandson wanted to take a field trip, and they would sit and punch, 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 punch. So I've been kind of looking for that punch, and Pat had it. So I had lined the inside of an old suitcase with maps, and I'll show you that one day. But so since I had some map pages left, pieces, I just sat and used her punch and did that. So anyway, let's go through this. Now, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to identify everything that was given to me, okay? This is a little goodie bag, I guess, from Pat. It has, this looks like, I don't know if it's just a piece of paper or is it an envelope. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little envelope that's been embossed. So thank you. And then, oh, I remember this. This actually came from Mary, where she gave us some fabric to cover a piece of a file folder. And then these little snippets came from Pat. I do remember that. And in the past, I've done a video showing you paper ruffles. That's what this looks like that Pat has done. Yep, one big long paper ruffle. Look at this. Pretty cool, huh? Alrighty. Excuse me, I've been kind of getting over a head cold. Excuse me. And then this is a bag of beads that I know came from Virginia. And she put a little surprise in everyone's bag. Let me see if I can pull that out. I'm having pretty good recall on where this stuff came from so far. Anyway, she gave us all this little bunny rabbit like charm and a bag of beads. And then I think these all came from Pat as well. Well, that's the bottom of that bag. So these are some more ruffles and snippet kind of things. So again, thank you, Pat. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Alrighty. So let me see, if you don't mind, everybody, I'm going to see if I just can't dump all that back in the bag. This is one of the things that I gave to everyone. I gave assorted like papers from work that we don't use anymore that I thought that they could stain and use in journals. We were cleaning out some closets and there was an overabundance. This is an officer's identification card from, I think it was World War II. It was Eve Spade had given this as a free digital. And what I found so interesting about this was she had found one side, I think it was like on Pinterest, and then she found the second side like months later. And yeah, you had to do some trimming because they didn't quite line up. But so, and then I put some little gauze in between so it looked a little worn and of course distressed the edges. But then what was so cool about it is this part, see if you can see, there you go. It's, which way does it go? This way, but you can't hardly see it. Anyway, I punched it, it says inactive. And then I let everybody know that it was a digital from Eve. So that was that. Hold on. All right, now here's a little bag. And may all your dreams come true. As you can see, I have not opened any of these. The last time I did a retreat, I came back with so much stuff that it took me months to literally sit down and do it because I was so overwhelmed by it all. All right, looks like a stained doily, and then there's all kinds of ephemera. These are like wooden buttons, and then some very pretty lace. And then here, this kind of feels like corduroy, some more lace. a velvety. Okay, I think that was probably cut off of a garment, and some more velvet. A numbered pad, and then some strips of blue. I do not see a name on it, so this one I do not know, and I apologize, but thank you very much. I have Sissy sitting in the chair here with me. This is going to be interesting because she's probably going to freak out in a minute. All this stuff is going to start piling up around her. See, these are some bigger envelopes and a couple of pieces of it's cardstock with some faces and some music kind of notes. So I guess that is to reproduce. So thank you. All right, this one says this is from Kathy L. All right, playing card and some sale tags. Wow, I've never seen Rolodex cards that big. That's pretty cool. Some note paper. These look like more playing cards, which I love getting playing cards. Oh, look at her with that punch that I like. Well, well, well. All right, and then some different kinds of papers. And some more where they've been punched. Some old paper, looks like out of dictionaries there. Napkin and napkin. Some more napkins. About what happened on your vacation. And then some more napkins. So thank you very much, Kathy. All right, are we doing good at rocking and rolling, everybody? I hope so, but I have a long way to go like you wouldn't believe. So then this bag was made for me from Carrie. I had kind of done all of the behind the scenes paperwork and stuff like that for the retreat. So she put together this little bag for me. Dream big. Says antique. So like different things that she has made. It's like a dangle. And then here you go. Create. It's like a tag. And then some different size envelopes. And then here is some more like tickets and some bags. So thank you very much, Carrie. I'm try to slip all of this back in here. I do want to try to keep it together the best I can. All right. And I think these all came from Pat as well. She had all kinds. I think they're like dry cleaning tickets, something maybe someone said. I'm not exactly sure, but I think so. So thank you. I know this little embroidered piece came from Darlene. I remember when she walked around and handed that out. We got a cup that had some pens and a granola bar. I picked up some stamps that someone was giving away. And then there's some chocolate in there. And then this is one of the things Annette gave me when I had told you about we had done a trade. She had given me some guest checks. And this is from Darlene. She had a class on doing like bookmarks on those great big popsicle sticks. And then this is one that she did for everybody. And all kinds of lace. And then you stamp the popsicle stick. So I'm hoping everyone can see that without glare on it. So it is beautiful. Thank you, Darlene. And then this looks like a fabric roll. So all kinds of fabric. Again, I'm not sure who to give credit to on this one because there's a few ladies there that do collect all kinds of fabrics. So I do appreciate it though. But I don't want to give credit to the wrong individual, so I'd rather just not say. So I do appreciate that though. And I think that's probably the rubber band. So how are we on time? We're about 9 minutes in. Alrighty, so this little bag, let's see. Posted, a Sharpie, some tickets, more tickets. Looks like some blank index cards. And then there's some buttons. So I don't see a name on anything. Whoops, and there's something else in here. Oh, a little clothespin and looks like a little boho bead. So as I throw things around. thank you very much. Again, I greatly appreciate it. We always can use a silver pen. Alrighty, now here's another little cellophane bag. So let's see. This looks like, am I twisting this the right way? Elaine, get with the program. Alrighty. This has some kind of little bags in it, and then all kinds of trim and rope and twine. So thank you very much. Some arrow stickers. So looks pretty good. So thank you. This looks like some more of those little cloth ruffles that Pat had done, but I don't know that these came from Pat, so I don't want to say that. But let's see here. Here we go. Yep, some more little ruffles. This is a good way to use your fabric scraps for sure. And this is cloth and paper, cloth and paper. So thank you. And then some little, like little pieces turned into a flower with a button. And then another little snippet. So thank you again. And then here is a little album, a little chipboard album. Again, don't know who it came from. And then here's an assortment of playing cards, which I do like that. Thank you. And then Carrie had a friend that made these tissue papers. Tissue covers. So thank you. And then I think these are some tags that I swapped with Annette as well. So thank you, Annette. All right, let's see if I can get into this bag. I know this bag came from my friend Kathy B. They also call her Peaches because we have so many Kathys. And this was the goodies that she had put in. Looks like some straws. There's some chocolate that I probably, that's cute, chocolate survival kit. I probably don't need to put that back in there. This looks like some little embellishments, some little beads, some more little ephemera things. Looks like there's a stamp in there. The containers are cute too. Some more little dies, some Christmas ephemera, and then envelopes and gift cards. Not gift cards, notes, note paper. Here's some snowflake stickers. And then some more of those dry clean tags. And then this looks like some little journal book. Yep. So thank you, Kathy. Alrighty, here's a big bag here. Looks like napkins galore. Napkins galore. Napkins galore. And then these look like some die cuts. Yep, I can go ahead and punch them out. Some paper, some stickers, some more die cuts. These look like somebody did some eco dyeing on some boxes. That took some time. And then some more, all kinds of ephemera. So, and again, I'm sorry, but I'm not seeing a name on this bag. Some more die cuts inside the bag. So, alright everybody, I think we ought to stop there. This video is about 14 minutes long so far, and I still have about a half a box to go. So, let's do a part 2 to this part of the video. So, I appreciate you coming by and checking to see what was given to me, and we'll do part 2 here shortly. So, please subscribe so you can come back and see and give me that thumbs up. Let me know I'm doing good. My voice is going too. I appreciate it. Bye.